Hello friends, it's time for math, and you might notice I've got on something a little funny today. I have on my hamburger hat for you. My hamburger hat makes me think of eating lunch or dinner, and I like to eat hamburgers, you might too. And so today we're going to think about somebody who likes to eat a lot. He's called Munching Monster. Munching Monster. Munching Monster likes to munch. He always eats the grater for his lunch. He wants to eat as much as he can. I mean, think about it. If somebody gave me one donut, or they gave me the choice of 3 donuts, what am I going to choose? I'm going to choose the 3 donuts. I'm going to choose what's greater. Well, so does Munching Monster. So today we're going to see how Munching Monster always chooses the greatest amount that he can to eat for lunch. And so here's our first Munching Monster, and his name is Greater Than. Munching Monster likes to munch. He always eats the greater number for his lunch. So he wants to eat as much as he can. Now, this one's called greater than. When we compare two numbers, if the first number is greater, Munching Monster is going to eat that first number. Here's another Munching Monster. This Munching Monster is called less than, and you see he's going this way. He's called less than. Munching Monster likes to munch. He always eats the greater number for his lunch. So if the first number, when we're comparing numbers, is smaller, and the greater number comes next, he's going to go that way after the greater number. And he's going to eat that number because the first number is less. He doesn't want it. He doesn't want less than. He wants the greater number. And then this is a guy who you know. This is equal. And we know equal means things are the same. So when two things are the same, we don't have a Munching Monster. We have the equal sign to use. So let me show you how this works with a couple of numbers today. So here I have the number 8 and the number 4, and we're going to compare those. Well, when I think about 8 and 4, I know that 8 is greater than 4. I would rather have 8 cookies instead of 4, and so would Munching Monster. So I'm going to put a Munching Monster in right in between those numbers, and look how his mouth is going this way because he's going to chomp the number 8, the greater number. And when I look at this to read this, I say 8 is greater than 4. Well, let's look and see what I've got on the next row. I've got a 5 and a 5. Well, we know that's the same. So I won't use a Munching Monster. I'll use an equal. 5 is equal to 5. They're the same. What about this one? I see a 3, but then I see a 7. Ooh, am I going to need a Munching Monster who's going to eat 3? No, he's going to choose to eat 7 because he always wants to eat what's greater. So when I look at these numbers, I say 3 is less than 7. So these are called Munching Monsters, is something that we like to call them for fun. And we're going to play a game today with a Munching Monster. We're going to use some cards, and we're going to use a spinner that says less and more. And we're going to play a Munching Monster game. Okay, so we're going to play the Monster Muncher game, and I got Anna to come in and play with me today because I need a partner. I don't have you guys with me to be my partner. So Anna's going to be my partner today. Let me show you the things you're going to need. You're going to need your cards, and I sent everybody at home a baggie full of cards that you can use to play this game. You're going to need some Monster Munchers, and you have those here on Seesaw that you can print them if you want to. If you don't have a printer, just draw them on a piece of paper. And you're going to need a spinner. More or less spinner. And again, if you don't have a printer, just draw you one of these on a piece of paper. You'll need a pencil and a paper clip for spinning. Okay, and we're going to play this Monster Muncher game. So we're going to take our cards, and Anna's going to get half of the cards, and I'm going to get half of the cards. And we're just going to each flip over one card. So let's flip them over. Ooh, I got a 9 and I got a 6. Is 9 greater or less than 6? Well, Monster Muncher likes to eat the greater, so I'm going to put that in the middle. 9 is greater than 6, but we're going to see who gets to keep the cards. Oh, let's see. Here we go. Ooh, more 1. So I get the cards this time. Those go into my pile. Okay, let's go again. Flip over another card. 9 and 10. Ooh, 9, is it less or greater than 10? 9 is less than 10. Okay, Anna, your spin. Let's see who gets the cards this time. More. Anna gets the cards. All right, here we go again. Let's flip a card. Ooh, 4 is what to 4? Is it greater? Is it less? Nope. 4 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. What are we going to do? Do a tiebreaker. Ready? 5 is greater than 2. Monster Muncher always wants to eat the greater number. 5 is greater than 2. Let's see who gets all of these cards this time. Who's it going to be? It landed on more. Oh, that's me. I get all the cards this time. I'm Big Nana this time, aren't I? Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. Oh, I flipped over 2 cards. 8 is what than 3? 8 is greater than 3. 8 is greater than 3. Spin, Anna. Let's see who keeps the cards. Oh, more. I got the cards again. But when the game is over, we're going to stop and we're going to count our cards. Anna has 2. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, I've got 8. But am I the winner? We don't know yet. Let's spin and see if more or less wins this game. Oh, Les wins the game and won. Even though I had all those cards, she beat me in the end. So you find someone in your family that you can play Munching Monster with and use your cards and use your things and play your game. And then you'll have your activity to finish here on Seesaw. Now, here are some number sentences with our Munching Monsters in there that I want you to read them with me, how this would read. So we would say 6 is greater than 5. 6 is less than 7. 9 is greater than 8. 8 is greater than 5. 0 is less than 1. 5 is less than 8. Today you are going to do some number sentences where you're putting in, is it a greater than or is it a less than Munching Monster? And so you'll just drag it down and put it in between the 2 numbers to show me which one is greater and which one is less. And then you once again have some math facts that I want you to set the timer for and see how many that you can do in 1 minute.